Drago inherited the powers of the Sacred Orb, we thought it would be a blessing. But instead, it's a curse. He can't control his energy, and both of us are being haunted by visions of a sinister masked man called Magmel and his Bakugan Sezona. Everywhere we turn, evil forces like Teams Anubius and Cellon are infiltrating Bakugan inner space. Luckily, we can count on Marucho and Shun. We just might have a chance of regaining control of Bakugan inner space and banishing Magmel for good.
What are you gonna do? The odds are stacked against you. Back against the wall, gotta give it your all. This is the final stand. The power's in your hand. Two worlds collide on the inside. You gotta fight for what's right before it's gone, gone, gone. This is Bakugan.
Good work, Anubius. Your powers have served us well. However, I'll be taking them now. But I'm not finished my battle with Gosu!
Anubius! Come on! You gotta fight it!
I can't! His powers are too strong for me!
Bakugan Battle Brawler's in behind the mask. You ready, Drago?
You bet!
Ability activate! Door Buster! That's right!
Now that we have the gate and the key Razanoid, our resurrection is nearly complete, and our plans for domination can commence, and no one will be able to stop us.
Are you sure? Magmel is going to try and take over Earth?
Yeah! I overheard him tell Razanoid he was gonna use Bakugan Inner Space as his command central.
Well, we have to do something.
Can we contact the outside world yet?
I've tried every method I know, but still, nothing.
We can't let that stop us.
Huh?
We have to take Magmel and Razanoid down for good. It's our only option.
But we're stuck in here.
Then I'll link up with Magmel.
Mentally?
Yeah, it's the quickest way to find him and take him out.
But Dan, is it even possible?
I haven't got a clue, to be honest. But I got to at least try, right?
No way.
Huh?
Every other time you've linked up with him, it's nearly ended in disaster.
Shun's right. And not to mention, the risky degree to which you're suggesting making this next link-up could leave you in danger of getting stuck in his dimension. Huh? For real?
Plus, during the link-up, you're comatose. We can't afford to lose you. If the Chaos Bakugan decide to attack again, you'll be toast.
It's a risk we're just gonna have to take.
Huh?
You're all making good points, but seriously, guys, we don't have a choice. I mean, we're down to the wire here, and time is running out. It may be dangerous, but at least I know that all of my friends have got my back.
Well, I guess you're right.
If you really think it's the best way, we're with you.
Do what you need to do, boss man. We've got you covered. I'd better find a way to get us out of interspace quickly. Mistress.
You should enjoy your final moments in life, because soon the Earth will be destroyed under his wrath, and you along with it!
Come on, Soon. We gotta keep moving. This is really bad. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Soon, come on. Hey, aren't you?
Your knight in shining armor. Ability activate! Tetra Blaster!
Whoa.
You okay, guys?
Yeah. We're okay. Hey, aren't you with Team Anubius?
I was.
Noah. That's right, I remember you were the one who was always acting scared.
Well, things are completely different now. I'm here to help you get out of here.
How is a coward like you going to help us?
Soon. That's not very nice.
Well, to answer your question, ma'am, I'm gonna battle any Chaos Bakugan that stands in your way. I'll provide the distraction while you find a way to escape. Go! Run for it! I'll keep them occupied!
Are you crazy? You can't fight all of them by yourself.
He's not by himself, sweetie! Ben! You didn't think we'd miss all the fun, did you?
When did you get so tough, huh, Squirt?
Heads up!
Ability activate! Slop-ton!
Ability activate! Omnipole!
Ability activate! Enter boost!
Noah!
Take him down!
Right now! Ability activate! Tetra Blaster!
Why even bother? What's the point in fighting when the ones we trusted most turned their backs on us?
Ha! I may have fought under Anubius, but I didn't fight for him, sister! If you're gonna pack it in just because your boss turned out to be a creep, then maybe you were never fit to battle in the first place!
Yeah, we still fight, because we're Bakugan battle brawlers to the core!
Right, Noah?
Huh? You bet! Okay, girls! Get ready to run!
Okay, come on, Soon. The Battle Brawlers base camp. I don't think we should go in.
Okay, Magmel, I'm coming for you. I just need to clear my mind and concentrate. All I need's a little focus, and we'll... Did we link up?
Yes, it appears so.
Weird. It looks like...
Bakugan Interspace, only darker.
Of course it is.
Magmel!
I suppose a welcome is in order. Now that you have found your way to the dark reverse dimension of Bakugan Interspace,
What's that?
The two dimensions are flip sides of the same world, one positive, one negative.
And thanks to you, we've now been able to join them through this little link we share.
I hope you enjoy the destruction that's about to unfold.
As if! We're shutting you down!
Ability activate. Flash Eclipse.
Ability activate! Generation Shield!
Ready on. Come.
Get ready, pal!
In my master's name, I will destroy everyone and everything in my path!
I have been summoned by my masters to stop you and crush you where you stand, you filthy insect.
Magmel! This ends now! For good!
Those will be the last words you utter, Kuso.
Don't lose focus, Drago! You caught me sleeping, but now I'm wide awake!
So that's how you want to play. Very well, boy. the dust, Drago! Not a chance! How did he just do that? What are you smiling at, vermin?
Ability activate! Revolutional! They're gone!
I will obliterate all your enemies!
I'll finish you!
Gonna get it! Ah! We're taking Magmel down for good, Drago!
Soon you'll be nothing but a memory, Kuso.
Don't worry, Soon. I'm sure Noah and the others will be back for us eventually. Who cares? It's all so hopeless. No, it's not. Oh no, not again! Just let them eat us and be through with it! Huh? The Battle Brawlers!
Rafe, Paige, hit it!
You bet! Ability activate! False bullshit! That's it, Bolderon!
Now, Wolfurio! Spear Aegis!
Ability activate! Kazami style slash tornado! Oh no!
They're coming out of the ground, though?
We're cut off!
Maybe we can help out a bit and run some interference!
Awesome! Ability activate! Hyper swing! Shun, we've got this!
Thanks, Paige!
Look up there!
Whoa! Let's go, Talion!
On it!
But why would you help us after...
We're not just protecting you two.
Dan and Drago are inside the base!
Our priority is to keep them safe. Right now, those guys are our only hope of getting out of Bakugan Interspace in one piece. So be quiet and stay out of our way.
These suckers just keep coming! Ha-ha!
What's the point? We'll never win!
Not with an attitude like that.
Mistress? We can't let her poison everything soon. Huh? We're here and she's gone. Now there's true goodness around us. We just have to open our eyes to it. And join the fight against Magmel, the true evil. What do you say? Are you up to it soon? That a girl.
Ability activate! Kazami style Phoenix Twister!
Such grace. Yeah, I know, right? See, it's not all bad. I suppose you're right. Perhaps we found a new light. Hey, Shun! We would like to join with you. That is, if you'll have us.
Let's go!
Right.
Why can't I do this? I've tried every configuration I know of, and then a few more, and still I can't figure it out.
Calm down, dude!
I can't. I need to get a message out to the real world.
You just need to accept the fact that not all puzzles can be solved. At least not by a human like you.
Dylan!
You should just give up and go join your friends for one last battle.
Can't be solved by a human? Oh. Sounds to me like you think you're a lot smarter than a human like me. Is that right?
Of course.
Why don't you prove it by solving the problem that's been baffling me this whole time? Show me how to get a message to the outside world. If you think you can.
Rodius! So you're alive, huh?
What? No. Herodias is dead, and now the mighty Magmal lives.
So that means...
Yes, and I was once Darak, but not anymore.
What happened to you?
What you see before you is an amplified version of my old self. A super manifestation of all anger and hatred that once fueled me. Kicked into overdrive after I came into contact with the Sacred Orb.
It looks to me like Code Eve took your evil thoughts and encased you in them.
Silence, fool! What Code Eve did was use her powers to banish me to this reverse dimension. But little did she know, Kuso and I shared a link. I was able to store the power you exerted from each battle you fought, until I had enough power to surpass even Code Eve and could break free of her flimsy shackles.
I beat you once before, Barodius! And I'll do it again, you understand?
I highly doubt that. I doubt that very much, Kuso.
Then bring it!
With pleasure. Razenoid!
Is that all you got?
I am sent on Titan, here to unleash my fury upon any who oppose my masters.
Come on, Razenoid! Let's see what you're made of!
You're going down, Drago!
I will annihilate you.
My free blades say otherwise.
Let's go, Magmal! You're toast!
See you soon.
Magmal!
Damn!
Ah. Dang it! Huh?
Hey,
Huh? What are those guys doing here?
don't worry about that now. How'd the link-up go?
We found him and we battled him, but in the end,
We lost the link and he got away.
That stinks.
yeah. But at least we know where he and Razenoid are hiding out now.
We do? Where would that be?
The dark reverse dimension of Bakugan Interspace, created by Code Eve as a prison for him. Except now he's able to get out.
Seriously?
There's more. We found out Magmel's true identity. Turns out he's Barodius.
That old creep!
Yes, the former Emperor of Gandalia.
I thought those guys were history.
Oh, man!
So this place. How exactly did we get there, Dan?
Without a link, I don't know.
Okay, Dylan. Do your thing.
With pleasure.
All right, this better work.
What if we can't get them out?
Don't worry, sir. I'm sure there must be a way for us to rescue them from Bakugan Interspace.
I hope so. Huh?
Hey, Dad. Is that you?
Yes, son.
Awesome! That kook really knew what he was doing!
Huh?
Too much has happened to explain everything right now. What we need to focus on is getting the battlers trapped inside of here out as soon as possible. But I'm going to need your help.
I understand. Just tell us what we need to do, son.
Okay, here's the plan. With Dylan's help, we were finally able to get a message from Bakugan Interspace to the outside world. But Magmel's attack was still imminent. Before we could deal with him, though, we had to evacuate the rest of the battlers from inside. But then we were hit by another wave of invading Chaos Bakugan. Things were getting so intense, I wasn't sure we'd be able to pull any of it off. Luckily, we had my father and Kato helping us on the outside. You've got to tune in to see what I'm talking about. I don't think we've ever faced such a tough challenge before. But then again, the stakes have never been higher.